We're outdoors, we're in the woods near my house, and we're going to make something that takes a little bit of time, a little bit of concentration, but the focus and the few simple ingredients make it a beautiful and calming thing to cook. We're going to be making an omelette today with this wild onion, a three-cornered leek, also known as, and a little bit of lovage, one of my favourite herbs. It's got kind of like spicy, slightly sweet celery quality to it. Two of them together with a bit of Lincolnshire Poacher, beautiful cheese from Leicestershire. Anyone that's a fan of a mature cheddar or anything like that, this is next level. These three together with a couple of eggs, a nice piece of toast, it's going to be magic. Wanted to borrow your lighter. The beauty of an omelette is you can see everything that's going on. It's not like a steak where you're, cooking it for a couple of minutes either side. To a certain degree, unless you're familiar with how a steak should feel when it's cooked, you're going in a bit blind. With an omelette, it's wonderful. You can see what's going on. You know when it's done. The pan you can react with immediately. If it's too high, take it off the heat. If it doesn't look like the eggs are doing anything, turn it up a notch. I'm going to take a few of these beautiful wild onions. I mean, if you can find any of these near you, they're called three-cornered leeks because, as you can see here, they've got a nice three sides to them on the stalk. And if you snap it, the flavour and the smell is incredible. As soon as it's in the pan, it goes softer, it goes milder, slightly sweeter. And with a bit of strong cheese and a few leaves of lovage, it is the ultimate omelette, honestly. Nature for me really is using your senses to kind of enjoy or experience the natural world. So you don't have to come out here to cook, but picking a few nice ingredients, experiencing it through sound, eggs hitting the pan, or taste or smell, all of those things are so engaged while you're cooking something like this. And that's a way to experience the natural world. If you don't have access to a green space, get some nice ingredients and cook something at home. Our toast is toasting, we're almost there. I'm going to do a little bit of prep so that we're ready to go when the pan's clear and the toast is done. So that's our simple omelette. Maybe we'll call this the Nature Omelette. Bit of wild onion, three-cornered leek, some lovage, Lincolnshire Poacher cheese, nice piece of toast. It doesn't get better, really. So I hope this inspires you to have a go at, making this for breakfast or lunch one day. Gather together a few ingredients that you love, whether it be some mushrooms, just herbs and cheese in an omelette is about as good as it gets. Take the time, try and get rid of other things that are distracting you or making you feel anxious or nervous, and get some ingredients together and focus on this for a few minutes. It definitely helps me, and I hope that it helps you too.